Hello viewers, welcome to my channel How to Learn. Today we are going to learn how to add different numbers in Microsoft Excel through different methods. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. The first method which I am going to teach you is through type in formula. I will select this cell, I'll type is equal to, and I'll select the first number and I'll type symbol plus, and I'll choose the second number and press enter, right? So I got this answer. The another method is through adding range, right? If I want to apply this formula over here, it will take a lot of time. For that purpose, I'll select these numbers, I'll come over here, this is called name box, I'll type range, right? I press enter. So the name of these cells is range. After that, I'll select this cell, I will type is equal to sum. After that, bracket open, range, and bracket close and press enter. So sum of all these numbers is 1475. The next method is AutoSum. I'll select this cell, I'll click on this AutoSum on my tool ribbon. You see it has already selected these two numbers for me which I want to add. I'll just press tab. So it automatically added these two numbers for me. What I can do is I just drag this mouse cursor and Excel did the rest for me automatically. I hope so this will help you a lot in your life, in student life, in practical life, everywhere. We will put this experience, this learning into practical use. I have this new sheet over here. It has a result of different subjects of a 7th class, right? I want to add all these numbers. What I will do, I'll select this cell and I'll click on AutoSum. You know, Excel is so intelligent, it selected those cells for me. I'll just press enter, right? Now what I can do is I just click on this cell in this corner and I'll drag. So it did the addition automatically for me, you can see. So this is so powerful. Excel is so powerful and it's easy to use. I hope so you learned a lot today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.